Section 7, the power of referrals. I often look at referrals as the icing on the cake, and I love referrals. Today, I actually referred 2 people and I received 3 revenue share checks. They say that if you give referrals, you will receive more referrals. And so I give referrals every single day. Maybe I'm not an expert in that area. Maybe I don't have the time to service that client the way the client deserves to be serviced. Think about referrals as that extra benefit. You have the knowledge, but it just isn't your book of business. Give a referral today.